go. Go, 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 go. It's okay. We did a good job.
Yes!
Go, 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 go.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Good plays on that.
Holy shit!
Oh, he's fucking burning him.
Oh, yeah!
Hi, Commissioner Downing here for LVOG TV. We just had a big walk-off win in the 10th inning between the Bird's Nest Bombers, headed by our friend Trent Clement here. What do you think, Trent?
Dude, it was so fun. I mean, this game, we didn't play our best, but it was probably the most fun game. I've never gone into over extra innings ever in my LVOG history. We couldn't hit anything the first 7 innings, and then we came back, hit a couple home runs in the 9th, tied it up, went into extra innings, and our very own Todd Miller, so proud of him, hasn't hit well the last couple of games, and belted his first ever home run.